In now trial attorney Michael Jaafar to ask you, thank you for joining us first of all. Let me ask you about what you think this might mean. Just a reminder for those joining us, this was a U.S. Marshal. He's accused of murdering a 23-year-old Casey Goodson. As Casey Goodson was entering his grandmother's house, testimony indicated he had a bag of sandwiches and keys when he was entering the house. What do these questions mean to you, if anything?
Judge Esche, can you repeat the questions because it cut off a little bit? I didn't hear what his questions were.
Yes, he wanted to know, the jury wanted some of the exhibits. Number one, a list of the exhibits. Number two, part of his statement. And then some of the other exhibits that have been admitted into evidence. You know, to me that means, Michael, that obviously I believe juries look very closely at all of the evidence, but it means there's some detail that some of the jurors are disagreeing about, and they really want to take a deep dive to sort out if they believe him or not.
I've looked at this case. You know what that sounds to me? It sounds to me like doubt. Obviously, they went into your job as a defense attorney is to make sure the jury goes into the box with doubt. It seems to me that I agree with you. Doubt crept in, and so they want to have a better understanding of the exhibits and of the evidence. And on one side, they're looking at a marshal, and another side, they're looking at a victim. And so it looks to me like I'm happy to hear juries ask these questions, to be honest with you, Judge Esche, because it seems that they would be analyzing the stuff and looking at what matters, and they did not go into the box having made a decision based on their passion or emotion. So it does look to me like there's doubt, and they're debating the evidence, and they want to have a more granular look at the evidence. So yeah, I agree.
And one of the things, and I don't know if I mentioned it specifically, was a copy of Meade's statement that they wanted to see as well. So